I'm Talon's sister, and I'm going to show you how high this Nerf tin could go. And it's on the roof, guys.
And it's on the roof, so we're going to show you this gun right here. It's a Mega. And she's jumping on the trampoline to see how high it is with all the balls. Alright, and I'll shoot this thing up and see how high it can go. Alright, bye.
It's way there.
It's like way over there, she said.
It's like on the very top of their house. Now I'm gonna record my brother doing it. There he is.
Ready? Goes pretty high.
And it actually landed on the ground this time. So yay!
I'm gonna try it one more time so it can go a little higher. Ready?
And then he's gonna do it twice on the tramp.
Oh, way high.
Now he's gonna do it on the trampoline.
Let's see how high it can go. Ready?
Oh, hang on.
Ready?
It went a lot higher. So I'm gonna grab that.